All right, this is free response number 3. This is one of the new review questions you have. Each year, students in an elementary school take a standardized math test at the end of the school year. For a class of 4th graders, the average score is 55.1 with a standard deviation of 12.3. In the 3rd grade, these same students have an average score of 61.7 with a standard deviation of 14.0. The correlation between these two sets of scores is 0.95. Calculate the equation of the least squares regression line for predicting 4th grade score from a 3rd grade score. So once again, we're predicting 4th grade score. So 4th grade score is going to be Y, and 3rd grade score is going to be X. All right, try this out and check my answer after pausing. Here's what I have. I start with the formula we're given, correlation times standard deviation of Y divided by standard deviation of X. Plug in all those 3 values to get a slope, 0.8346. Next, we know that the mean of X and Y are in the LSRL, so we plug those in, 61.7 for X and 55.1 for the Y means. Plug in your slope, solve for A, and then you have your equation. So Y hat, predicted 4th grade scores, is equal to 3.61 plus 0.834 times your 3rd grade scores. All right, number 2, or letter B. Calculate R squared and interpret it in terms of context of this problem. So R is 0.95. R squared is what it sounds like, that number squared. We have an interpretation for it. About this percent of the variation in the response variable is explained by the explanatory variable, X. So since it's 0.95, we'd square that and get 0.9025 and convert it to a percentage. That's called the coefficient of determination. And we'd say 90.25% of the variation in the 4th grade scores, the Y values, is explained by the 3rd grade scores. Letter C. Can this equation be used to represent the student's score when they are in 12th grade? Why or why not? And explain your answer. That's no. It might be good for predicting 4th from 3rd, but this is too far outside of the data range. This is called extrapolation. All right, thank you for watching.